How can you blur background in Capcut? Today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that, so follow up with me. First we open Capcut and then tap on New Project. From here choose your video and then tap on Add in the bottom right corner. Now go ahead and delete the ending of the video. Go back from there and tap on Effects. Tap on Video Effects. Wait for a couple of seconds. Tap on Lens. Wait for the effects to load up and then scroll down and tap on Blur and then tap on the tick right here. Now extend the duration of the blur to cover the whole video. Once you do that, go back, tap on Overlay, and then tap on Add Overlay. Choose the video that you have chosen in the first place and tap on Add. Now keep the second video selected and look for Cutout. Tap on it, tap on Remove Background, wait for a couple of seconds. When it is removed, go ahead and adjust the size of the second video to make it slightly bigger than the first one. Tap on play and you should find your video with the background blurred. Now from here you can tap here in the top right corner to save the video to your gallery, and that is it for this video, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.